Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your crypto insider here, breaking down the hottest charts like this XRP beast that's got the entire market buzzing today on November 27, 2025. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We're diving deep into why XRP is flexing hard at $2.18 USD right now, up a cheeky 0.47% in the last 24 hours, with over $3.7 billion in trading volume. That's right, folks. XRP isn't just surviving. It's thriving in this bull run. And this TradingView chart is screaming opportunity. Let's unpack it step by step. No fluff, just real talk for you American traders grinding through those Fed announcements and ETF rumors. You ready? Let's roll. First off, zoom in on that price action. XRP's chilling at $2.1803, with a 24-hour high of $2.2547. and low dipping to $2.1484. Volume, a massive 113.35 million XRP swapped hands, equating to nearly $250 million in USD. That's serious conviction from the whales and retail alike. Look at those candlesticks painting a bullish story. We're seeing mostly green bodies with some wicks testing support, but no real panic selling. From November 25th at 11:30 a.m. to today at 4:30 p.m., the price carved out a steady uptrend, bouncing off that $2.14 zone like it's got 9 lives. This isn't some random pump. It's momentum building on Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin launch and fresh ETF filings from heavyweights like Franklin Templeton and Grayscale. XRP jumped 9% earlier this week alone. Talk about FOMO fuel. Now feast your eyes on those EMAs. The exponential moving averages are stacking like a pro poker hand. EMA 7 at $2.1872, EMA 25 at $2.198, EMA 50 at $2.163, and EMA 200 at $2.1476. Notice how the shorter ones, 7, 25, 50, are all curling above the longer EMA 200. That's classic bull flag territory. My friends, price is respecting these lines as dynamic support, with the current spot hugging right up against the EMA 20 at $2.1476. It's like XRP's saying, I'm not done climbing yet. If we punch through that $2.30 resistance, you see it hovering up there. We're talking a quick flip to $2.50 easy. But watch the volume bars at the bottom. Those blue spikes on green candles. That's where the smart money's piling in, confirming the uptrend without overextending. Slide your gaze to the Bollinger Bands. Those purple squeezes are tightening up around the $2.0591 middle line, with upper at $2.0988 and lower at $1.988. Price is dancing right in the upper half. Volatility's low-key simmering. That's 7.86% over 30 days. But a breakout above the upper band. Boom, volatility explosion incoming, potentially spiking us to $2.35. Pair that with the SAR, parabolic stop and reverse. Dots flipping bullish below the candles. And you've got reversal confirmation. No more downside fear here. It's all upside grind. MACD's the secret sauce. Though, histogram bars are flipping positive at 0.00047, with the DIF line, minus 0.0048, crossing above DEA, minus 0.001. That orange signal line crossover. Pure adrenaline for momentum traders. It's lagging a tad behind the price surge, but once it catches up, expect acceleration. Volumes confirming it too. MA5 at 3.251 million. MA10 at 3.397 million, with those yellow bars pulsing higher on up days. Liquidity's flooding in, folks. This ain't a dead cat bounce. And don't sleep on the RSI, rocking at 29.3930 on the 6 period. That's oversold territory screaming, buy the dip. In a sea of overbought alts, XRP's coiled like a spring, ready to unleash. AVL volume profiles flat at 90. No major distribution, just accumulation vibes. Bottom line on this chart, XRP's in prime accumulation mode, with technicals aligning for a breakout. Regulatory wins, ETF hype, and cross-border payment adoption are the real drivers. Ripple's XRPL is settling transactions in 3-5 seconds for pennies, outpacing Swift while staying carbon neutral. For us Yanks, this means real utility in a Trump-era crypto boom, with Bitcoin smashing $91K and dragging alts higher. Price prediction time, what's next for XRP? Buckle up because the tea leaves are hot. Short term, by end of December 2025. I'm eyeing $2.40, $2.65 if we hold $2.14 support. That's a 10 to 20% pop on ETF inflows and holiday volume. Into Q1 2026. Bullish case hits $3.50 as institutional adoption ramps. Think Japan and LATAM banks going all in. But watch for macro dips if the Fed drags its feet on rates. Bearish, a pullback to $1.90 if global risk-off hits. But that's buy territory. Long haul to 2030. Analysts are whispering $5.15 easy, with moonshots to $26 plus if XRP becomes the DeFi king. Remember, crypto's volatile, DYOR. Stack sats wisely and never bet the farm. What do you think, bullish breakout or fake out? Drop your takes in the comments, like if you're riding XRP to the moon. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, traders. Stay savvy.